Can anyone tell me what they're doing? It's on a weed. But like, what are they doing? Look at that. Gonna torch it. Gonna torch it. And that, my friends, was a torch. Those are pretty. Tell me that doesn't look like a sloth. Nature! Can somebody tell me what that is? It is huge. I found another one. Did not even know this was here. Interesting. Oh, I'm telling. This guy's just working. Look how beautiful that is. He's just working, man. He is. He getting it done. He non-stop. Oh, he didn't like the camera. He camera shy. Look out that one. I see him hiding underneath that pedal. Look at that.